Hey, Toots, I know it has been well overdue, but it's garbage disposal time. It is about to storm, and I was gonna go outside and play with the American Standard Hamilton, but it started thundering, so I'm like, nope. So I just... Nerf dart. Nerf darts are very hard to chop up in a garbage disposal. That vintage GE disposal will shred the rubber. Oh my, I made a mess. But yeah, I know, it's been a while since I've done anything with the garbage disposer. Open it up, so there are no blades in there, so don't worry about putting your hand down in there. Yep. So yeah, bye.